Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The silent classrooms, the silent playground will become lively and energetic from Monday onwards. This is a very thrilling feeling. My students will also be able to enjoy the fun of coming to school together, going home together, learning together, sharing with their friends, and most important, playing on the ground together. This is also a very happy and a pleasant experience, will be a very happy and a pleasant experience for the students. Whole school has been cleaned and sanitized. Almost all the rooms are clean and sanitized. We are also going to follow the SOP that is given to us. Our students will come with the mask to school. They will be following social distancing. They will be making use of hand sanitizers. We will be also insisting them to bring their own tiffin so that the exchange can be avoided.
सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग क्लासांनी दवरून आमी आमच्यो सगळ्यो क्लासी हांगा घेतली. तशेंच सगळ्या शाळेची आमी साफ सफाई केल्ली आसा, सगळे मार्किंगय केल्ले आसा. तशेंच आमी बशींनी जेन्ना भुरग्यांक हाडटलीं बालरथान तेन्ना आमी सगळ्यो बशी बी सॅनिटायज केल्ल्यो आसा आनी एवरीडे आमी त्यो परत सॅनिटायजय बी करतलीं. हो बरो एक निर्णय सरकारान घेतला, जेणे करून भुरगीं इतली दीस घरा आसलीं ती आज परत शाळेन येतलीं आनी आपआपलो अभ्यास त्याच हातून बऱ्या तरेन शिकपाचो प्रयत्न करतलीं. हो एक बरो उपक्रम हांगा आमी घेवपाचो आसा आनी सगळी ज्यो म्हणून कोवीड-19 प्रोटोकॉल्स पाळपाक जाय ते सगळे पाळूनच आमी 21 तारखेच्यान जे कितें क्लासी घेवपाच्यो आसा त्यो आमी घेतली. आमचे 12वीच्या भुरग्यांच्यो परीक्षाय बी ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर जाल्ले आसा. टायम टेबल 5 एप्रिला पासून परीक्षा सुरू जावपाच्यो आसा. त्याय दृश्टीन आमी 21 तारखेच्यान भुरग्यांचे सगळे रिविजन, तांच्यो प्रिलिम्स हे सगळे आमी घेवपाची सगळी तयारी आमच्या शिक्षकांनी आनी आमी सगळ्यांनी केल्ली आसा. आमच्या मॅनेजमेंटानूय आमकां भरपूर हांगा सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. सगळी साफ सफाई प्रोटोकॉल सगळे सांबाळून आमी 21 तारखेक आमची शाळा हांगा सुरू करपाक सज्ज जाल्ली आसा.
एकंदर आपण जर कोविड संदर्भात जर परिस्थिती बघितली तर ती बऱ्यापैकी आता नियंत्रणात आलेली आपल्याला दिसून येते. शाळेची सुरुवात संदर्भामध्ये काही ज्या गोष्टी लागतात त्या आम्ही या ठिकाणी सुरू केलेले आहेत. शाळेची साफसफाईचं काम हाती घेण्यात आलेलं आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे इतर ज्या गोष्टी आहेत, ज्या SOPs आहेत त्याचं जास्तीत जास्त तंतोतंत पालन करून शाळा सुरू केल्या जातील, जेणेकरून जी आमची मुलं आहेत ती या कोविड संदर्भामधलं जे इन्फेक्शन आहे त्याच्यापासून आपला बचाव करू शकतील.
As for the circular, it is a very short notice that is given to us. In fact, to prepare for such a big number, ours is a very big school, so it becomes difficult for us to cater, but nevertheless we are prepared whatsoever because we had anticipated that a circular would be coming. So preparations are done, cleanliness of the classrooms has been undertaken, sanitization has also been done. But with regard to the opinion of the parents, most of them in fact had voiced out the opinion that the school should start. But with the circular coming, I started getting endless calls since yesterday evening and today morning and afternoon also from our PTA chairperson and all the members. They are saying that reopening of the school should not be done since there are also cases which are reported. Yesterday also there were so many cases which were reported and some which are not reported. They fear that their children are not vaccinated If they were vaccinated, at least it was okay, they said. And this has come from educated parents